Good morning, everyone. You are listening to Kriti Singhal, your news anchor from La Fara Media. Here we bring you the latest updated news of 24 June from around the world. Pressure mounts on India to allow foreign airlines to operate flights. US fires first salvo, EU holding talks. Pressure is mounting on India to allow scheduled passenger flights by foreign airlines. America on Monday said that Air India will have to seek prior approval for operating flights to and from the US from July 22nd, as India has impaired operating rights of US carriers and has engaged in discriminatory and restrictive practices with respect to US carriers' services to and from India. India asked Pakistan High Commission to cut staff strength by 50%. India on Tuesday said it will reduce the staff strength in the Pakistan High Commission in New Delhi by 50% and would also recall half of its officials from the Indian High Commission in Islamabad amid the ongoing diplomatic tussle with the neighboring country. Russia says India and China do not need outside help. Border tensions between India and China continue and several rounds of military-level talks have been unable to break the deadlock. India has rubbished China's claims of sovereignty over the Galwan Valley and said that unilateral attempt to change status quo on LAC will not be accepted. Novak Djokovic tests positive for COVID-19. Novak Djokovic, the men's world number 1 tennis player, has tested positive for COVID-19, the Serbian said in a statement on Tuesday. Delhi records biggest single-day spike with 3,947 new cases. India's coronavirus caseload stands at 4,40,215 as per the latest Health Ministry update. The death toll stands at 14,011. 312 deaths and the highest single-day spike of 14,933 new cases reported in the last 24 hours. Sellers need to mention country of origin on products for GEM platform. The government procurement portal GEM has made it mandatory for the sellers to mention country of origin on products they wish to sell through the platform, a move aimed at promoting Atmanirbhar Bharat, self-reliant India, a senior official said on Tuesday. Kriti Singhal will come with new date updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.